Are you guys ready for our challenge today? Yeah! We will trade these AirPods.
I am going to be off of this iPhone 11. It even smells like
I'm sorry, guys.
What are you doing?
Hold it, hurry.
Elsie, where did you just put the scissors?
Hold.
What are you doing?
Something.
Oh no. I think this isn't gonna be. Wait. Are you? No. Are you doing what I think you're doing? Are we gonna fidget trade? Are we fidget trading?
Are you guys ready for our challenge today?
All right, guys, what are you gonna do?
We are going to be fidget trading! Okay, guys, first of all, we have 2 boxes of all of our fidgets that we already had, and there's some new ones in there. And for the final people, we got 4 new boxes of fidget! Okay, guys, we are actually divided in 2 teams. So this side is that team, and we have another team on this side. Who's on team 1? SaiDee, NayVee,
Beckham, PresLee, and LiLee.
and team 2 is
LiLee, DeLayNee, and PaisLee.
Okay, guys, this is how it's gonna work. My mom just divided fidgets, and we're all gonna get 1 box to trade with them. Okay, guys, we're gonna start the first trade. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be selling you the squishy purple mirror ball. What would you guys trade for that?
We would like to trade you this loose squishy and this simple dimple poppet and this scam. That was kind of fair, but we love this.
We'll still trade this.
So we would like to trade this thing. It twirls around. If it will work. Well, this one twirls around.
They're gonna get broken toys.
It's hard to do. We'll do it this way. See? And then this one. Okay. We would like to give you this poppet. We'll offer this. And this. One more thing. Sam. That was actually a better trade. Keep flying. My turn. Keep flying.
Guys, we got this. I'll make a trade. I will trade you guys this oddly satisfying sound effect Rubik's Cube.
We will trade you this huge poppet with a million different colors, and like, look at the way it sounds. Oh, you can't hear that one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that one. That one's good. And we'll trade this
Squishy.
dog toy. No, this one-of-a-kind trypophobia thingamajigger.
It's amazing. Look.
Balls. Yeah, sound. No, add.
Guys, just so you know, this has like 5,000 different types of things.
This another mermaid poppet. And it
rainbow.
swims in water.
Yeah,
You want this one?
This thing.
No, we want that big giant one.
No.
We'll give you this strawberry shortcake one if you add another one of yours. Okay, we'll add this pineapple one.
And
More. We need more.
fine, we'll show you how good the sound is. Ready?
We will add you guys
The
this.
rainbow edition.
Okay, guys, decide.
Yeah, that's that. Oh, yeah.
All right, switch. Let me see you switch.
Give me.
No.
Oh, it's a secret compartment.
What is this arrow? Pointing up. That means.
Pull it out.
Wow.
Good trade, you guys.
Hey you guys, it's my turn, and we're gonna get this brand new squishy ball that no one opened, and this colorful pineapple poppet. What would you trade?
And look at it. Be very, very wise with your decision, because look, they have little engraved pineapples in the pineapple, and this one is especially a perfect metallic green. Okay, guys, we will trade. We have another trade. We will trade. These AirPods. This ball that is squishy. It has a needle. It's brand new and has never ever been opened. Not even touched. Wait, think about this. They might be scammers.
Let's see if there's anything.
No, you can't see. You just gotta believe. Put a little bit of trust.
We'll accept.
Okay.
You're internet troll.
Well, it's our turn. I'm gonna do a mystery trade. So you guys don't know what it is, and you guys can do a mystery trade too.
Okay.
Light up Rubik's Cube.
Light up see-through Rubik's Cube.
Let me just find it somewhere. Hold on.
I literally just saw it.
Okay, hold on.
No, I don't want a plastic wrapper. That's not it. Okay, we got one thing. We got this detachable. What kind of animal is this?
Okay.
No, I want you to do SaiDee's trade. I want SaiDee's.
Oh yeah. You want this deformed little sheep? I got it.
No, we're doing a mystery. That won't fit in your hand.
Why didn't you just put the mystery in there and then go like
Oh, yeah. Wait a second.
We're not doing it anymore.
We're just preparing it.
Okay. We also have this magical wand.
Fine, I'm almost there.
3. You have to accept either way now, right? 3, 2, 1.
Wait, what did I do?
Oh. That was better than this.
Okay, guys, it's my turn. So I think what I'm gonna trade him is this beautiful rainbow poppet, and then this other like really good ABC heart rainbow poppet. Yeah, ABCs like.
Learn your alphabet. Maybe you'll
It's
get
really
smarter.
good. And then this beautiful, colorful rainbow butterfly. Really awesome, makes really good sounds. Wait, hold on.
Oh.
And I think that's what we're gonna trade.
We'll trade this July
4th of July, a limited edition poppet.
and this Rubik's Cube.
Limited edition rare.
And
This spiral ball thing that I used to get my baby.
okay. We'll add this baby turtle that goes. We will give you this wiggly giggler. And look what.
No, listen.
Okay, we accept.
Okay. Take your strand to Rubik's Cube.
I want to do it.
Can I try?
Okay, guys, we've all gone once, so after this round, it's called the bonus round. Wait, I'm gonna use the 4x5. Ready? Okay, guys, I will be trading you this really cool half-colored ball and this really cool shaky toy,
A baby's toy.
and this really rainbow poppet, and this squish ball.
No.
I have an idea. There's this 2047 fidget spinner, and then this.
It comes with the magic wand. It's such a scam.
And Anita.
It changes colors.
We already. Okay, we're gonna do this magic pogo wand with the fidget spinner, and we're gonna do this round, beautiful poppet that makes a really good sound. You can't hear it yet. And then one last thing, we'll trade you this iPhone 39. No, you want more? We got ice cream tennis. Ice cream tennis balls. This is like some black market. No.
Wait, we put all our toys in there?
Yo, Sadie, how can we're like you just do us?
Guys, I think it's obvious who won this bucket. Just because your toys are bigger doesn't mean anything.
Yeah.
No.
You guys spam this half of the time.
We're at the game.
What is that? What is that? A Twizzler? These are scammers, guys.
Okay, Twizzlers?
What kind of fidget is that? Fidget that works your mouth.
I didn't change camera.
Okay, guys, now it's time to do the bonus round.
Okay, guys, since we run the original round, we get to choose first which boxes we want. We'll choose these. Now your turn to choose a box. Then we'll choose.
We get this one. I'm gonna go first, and I got this 1 pound mega flop noisy putty. Let me just show you.
If you use it, we're not gonna want it as much.
Oh.
Ready?
It even smells like blueberries. Oh, that smells good.
Oh, that smells
Oh
so
my
good.
God. So then put it back.
All of this.
Put it back in and then fart.
Here's some floppy flart.
We'll trade you this sandcastle with multicolor blue, pink, purple, green sandcastle majigger.
It's not like slime. It doesn't come very easy.
No, don't mix it or we don't want it.
Well, look at this tiny bit.
Wow, you get that much?
No, you get the whole 2 things, so. It smells like sand.
And he sounds like a penguin.
Okay, Trey.
Trade that. Hit that.
Give us that.
Yes! Oh, I got this very sticky fake spider that's creepy. And then I got this slime that smells like watermelon.
Let's test it.
Oh, it's cloud. Here, you guys can smell. No, don't play with it.
Oh, my hand.
We'd like to give you guys this baby shark.
No, did you hear that one?
Okay, we will trade these gross sticky eyeballs and this
Crackle slime Play-Doh.
crackle.
That looks so cool.
Yeah, guys. Here,
Get
you
you
can
it.
open it.
We gotta see this crackle stuff.
We gotta see this crackle stuff to see if it's
No, we just need one.
You don't need to say.
Oh! We're taking that. Put it up. Put it up.
I will expect. Give us it. Give us the cloud.
We got the little sticky eyeballs.
Watch this.
Oh my gosh.
It's stick.
No, guys.
It looks like fish eggs.
Wait, what?
I am going to be offered this iPhone 11.
No way.
That's a
scam.
Nope, I went to the store with her and bought it.
Okay.
You have to show
I declined too, but I'll show you it's real.
Oh!
Big time.
Okay, we'll trade you after this.
You already declined. You already declined, and I declined too.
I want my Space Jam stuff.
Yeah, boom, 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 boom.
I want my iPhone 11. That works.
Is it not your phone?
It is my phone.
It turns out you can accept
Look.
it.
It does my Face ID.
I like Bugs Bunny more, even though this was only like $30 million less than the other one. An eye for an eye.
We'll trade you this football, very squishy, so cool, and this like basketball. Good in his hands.
but no, that is the
And this ready for this really long slinky. Ready?
Whoa. Yeah. Okay, we would like to add this beautiful shark that squishes people so nice and it stretches. Like, look at that. And then we're gonna be adding this rainbow strawberry squishy. Here, I'll even show you how good it squishes.
That's pretty good.
And it smells like strawberry.
Strawberry.
And we'll add that.
What's that?
Wait, what else do you have?
We got this narwhal popper. LiLee, you are
having the worst trouble.
okay. Let me get it out.
The worst salesman I've ever seen.
Okay.
That's a narwhal.
Watch this.
Shoots 20 feet.
Oh!
I want that.
And it comes with 3 extra balls.
And it has a really good sound and you can be like, hello?
Okay.
There's that.
We're putting it down.
I think I know.
Wait, I'm not done. I'm not done. It also comes with a rainbow top.
Okay. These three of them, because that is
3 of these rainbow.
And we'll
really
throw
good.
We'll throw in a
Play-Doh.
snack.
this little snick of snack.
Don't eat it though. Does it have a scent?
Now throw it out.
Oh no.
Snick of snack.
We will never be able to get that ever again.
Do you need help?
That's a scam.
How's it a scam?
It's stuck on there.
We'll just trade. Just trade blue.
Here, I got this.
Stop it.
No.
I got it. I got this.
Ah, my phone just failed. Okay, we will accept.
Here
We'll
comes-
accept.
Hey, I'll throw in a healthy tea.
We'll accept. Accept the trade.
Find you.
That's your guys' trade.
Hey, Gusto.
Whoa. I will trade you this really cute pink baby shark mama thing that can swim in the water. And watch right here. It's really good. It sings too. And I'll give you this really cool Blippi toy.
It's not.
And
Blippi, more like.
I say that's a pretty good deal if you do ask.
We'll trade you these donut squish eyes with this. You got donut squishies and a rainbow pop that is a really good. And it comes with 2.
accept.
Hey guys, this means a lot to me. I'll give you this Bugs Bunny Space Jam.
And it stretches its arms.
Look at this. Look at that flexibility. And he's chunky, he's thick, and he really knows how to stick.
We need to exchange it.
Okay, already used. I'm gonna trade this gooey bug and this slime that's in a diamond. Nah, we're in more. Oh, you really want to challenge me, don't you? Really?
Sure.
Some super soft, amazing squishies, multi-fun pack.
Wait, no. Is that a packet?
Get them.
No, we're gonna take this back.
No, add.
No, we're gonna add.
We'll add this one-of-a-kind galaxy squishy to go with the Space Jam. Oh, look at that apple. Oh, yeah. The forbidden fruit. So squishy.
Okay, accept.
Except,
Here's your
Here's your new slime. I'm gonna offer this slime again. Let me just show you how beautiful and nice. Yeah, slime. Okay, let me open it for you guys. Oh, beautiful.
oh, are you looking at
We're adding.
Is that another crackly?
I love those. Beautiful slime.
Add more stuff.
Wait, you guys have nothing.
We have nothing to offer. Yeah, we have nothing.
Broke.
We'll actually guys those.
You guys
No,
are
they
broke.
won. They
No,
won.
we're not. We'll offer you guys 2 iPhones.
They won.
Yeah,
iPhones?
they won.
Yeah.
We won.
I'm going to be adding this slime.
You know the crackle crack.
And you can maybe make bubbles with it. Beautiful.
Accept.
Okay.
We have officially ran out of stuff to trade.
No, that makes sense.
Okay, guys, this is Team 1's pile and Team 2's pile. Who do you guys think won?
I think we did.
Make sure you guys comment down below to see who you think won.
Well, that was today's video, so make sure you subscribe down below.
Hit that notification bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. And follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.
All our social media.
Maybe TikTok.
Yeah, maybe.
See you next time.